What's happening, guys? Junior's Tech here, back with another video. Now today we're looking at a headset, not a pair of headphones or anything else similar to headphones, but we're looking at a gaming headset today, and this one I'm pretty excited about because I'm yet to own a pair of these. But apparently on Amazon and everything they're getting roughly between 25 to nearly 3,000 positive honest reviews, and I thought it's probably a good thing to take a look at because mine is starting to get a little bit outdated. So today we are taking a look at the Astro A10. Why don't we check them out? So today's video was sponsored by VIP SCD Key. So let's go for a word from them. So go into the search menu and type in VIP CD key and click on enter. As soon as you do that, click on enter and type on the first link you can see. Type in Windows 10 search menu and type on the first one, which is Windows 10 Pro. As you can see, it's on sale for $20.47 and open to all platforms and regions. And simply just go down to buy now. In the discount code, type in JT20 to get 20% off your order. And as you can see, it's now reduced it down further 20%. And then simply go to submit order. Click on your payment type, which I chose PayPal. From here, all you need to do is wait for the payment process to be complete, and as you can see, your order has been completed. I have my order number, and I just need to go to my buy-ins. As soon as it is complete, you will also get this link that pops up, and this will give you your code to activate your Windows. So go over to your Settings tab, type in Settings, and click on Windows on Security. After you've done that, go to Activation, change product key, type in your new product key, click on Next, and then select Activate. And this will activate your new Windows 10 key. VIP SCD Key also offer Office 2019 Professional for $58.51. But you can also go to the Buy Now page and type in discount code JT20 to get a further 20% off, and then simply submit your order and pay through the method of your choice. VIP CD Key also offer a great variety of different types of games from Steam, Origin, Uplay, PlayStation, PC, and also a lot of gift cards from Steam to iTunes to PlayStation at a lower cost. If you are interested in checking this out, make sure you go down the links in the description to find out any more information that you may need or require. So guys, these are what we are checking out. Yes, normally I do an entire full box unboxing, but I couldn't resist. I had to check these out and I had to have a look. I did leave a little bit of packaging on for you guys, but we're going to probably take that off in just a second. Oh, I'll tell you what, we'll take it off now. So guys, I had to open these straight away when I got them. They really are an amazing looking pair of headphones. So as you can see, they've got the Astro logo going on there, and they've also got the A10s because this is the version I picked up today. And I just have to say, everything about them just seems amazing. So yes, they are extremely strong and sturdy and rigid because we know what gamers are like. You know, you get beaten a game, you tend to throw things. 9 times out of 10, it's either the controller or the headset. So this is definitely going to be very resistant for whatever you are going to be doing. So the cushion cups themselves are unique. So yes, they are cotton, but they are extremely soft and bouncy. So this is going to allow you to have a full gaming experience without getting uncomfortable and fatigued because of the headset. And that alone is a big thumbs up for me. The design as well, so they've got the A10 logo going on there, Astro A10 and Astro on the top there. And to me, that really is enough information for me to be like, wow, these look amazing. So we do have a full near enough 2 inches of extra gap there, so they are going to fit a huge variety of different types of people's heads and all that good stuff. And we do have a slight amount of tit on the diaphragm itself, which is also nice because, you know, everybody's head is totally different. Now, the one thing I was worried about was the diaphragm internal size because of the size of my ears. As we say, if I can plug in an Ethernet cable to my nose, I could probably listen to the radio. But anyways, as I can say, these are extremely comfortable. I've been trying them out. I edited my previous video with these guys, and I have to admit, I am so happy with these. These really are going to be my new gaming headset. So if you ever see me streaming or anything, you will see me wearing these because they really are incredible. Now, the microphone is a pull-down microphone, but it is extremely flexible, which I do like. But it also has a shut-off mode, so instead of having buttons that you don't need, as soon as you bring your microphone up, it will cut your microphone off. And then as soon as you bring it back down, there you go, you can talk again. So you do have full control of your own communications without having any extra buttons or anything. it comes with a 3.5mm audio jack, and that is it. That is the only thing it comes with. Obviously, you do get the cable as well, and the cable does come with an extremely slim power. It does come with an extremely slim toggle for your volume, which is nice. You don't have any external buttons, you don't have anything on-off switch or anything. You plug them in and that is it. That's all you need. They are powered by the 3.5mm jack, which is incredible. There's no charging cables, there's no charging anything. They're just how they are, and that's why I like them. They're easy, they're minimalistic, and I'd say they look quite futuristic, which is really nice. So, jump into some specifications. We'll talk about these guys, and then we'll end the video there. So these headphones are extremely durable. So the durable steel headbands as well, with damage resistant rubberized covers, as well with detachable cable system, which will allow you to keep these safe and sound. So the long lasting comfort as well. So the ear cups are flexible and lightweight material with a cloth ear cushioning, means that you never have to worry about this headset being fatiguing, shutting your game down, or before you were even ready. So it also comes with a flip out microphone. So the flip to mute and unidirectional microphone, inline volume control as well. So you're always in command of your own communications. So they're tuned with Astro Audio. So tuned for gaming, Astro Audio we've developed with pro gamers and game designers to develop clarity and detail at every frequency and volume level. That's what makes these headphones perfect for gaming. And yes, these headphones are pretty much optimized perfectly for gaming, streaming, and VR, and they are optimized for PlayStation 4, Xbox, and even Windows 10 compatibility. So if you do want to go check one of these out for yourself, head down the links in the description. There'll be a link there so you can go follow them just for you. So guys, there we have it. That was the review regarding the Astro A10s. And I have to admit, first of all, very skeptical with the cushion going on, very, I'd say, minimalistic look, but I was super happy about these. They really are comfy. I tried them out editing a video and it was unbelievable. The sound quality is absolutely amazing. So if you are interested in going checking these out, head down to the links in the description so you can grab a pair for yourself. Now, I do say be quick because they are selling pretty fast. Some of the reviews on them were amazing, and every time I check, the reviews are just going up and up. So if you are interested in getting yourself some new headsets, head down the link description. There's a few links there for the different variations of these ones, and they are absolutely amazing. So if you are interested, guys, head down there. And as always, thanks very much for watching. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my further videos.